yourselves on this monitor after the delay. It is live streamed. We do have a live audience of, between 5 and 10 people out there. Not sure exactly how many. The questions, the categories will pop up on the screen behind my head. No need to touch the monitor. It is controlled at somebody's house. He's in my ear. So if there's 12 categories. If you want to see more, just tell me more. Otherwise, pick a category. Each one has 3 bubbles on it. You're looking for one with a number in it. The rest of them has been used, so you can't use those. So pick a category, tell me a number, and we will go from there. You have 2 lives and 20 seconds to answer each question.
I think we're going to go with Disney.
Disney? What number?
Let's go 2.
I'm sorry. All of Disney has been used.
Oh.
It has to have a number in the circle.
Oh, okay. Cool.
And if you want to see the more categories, just let me know. We'll switch over.
Yes, let's see more categories.
More categories, please. We had a long trip where these couples answered a lot of questions. So I know there's not a lot to choose from, but just do your best.
Let's do food.
What number?
1.
Food for number 1, please. Hang on, yellow light. Which fast food chain is known to have the meats?
Arby's.
We have the meats. Arby's, is that your final answer?
Yes.
Is Arby's correct? That is correct. Good job. So you've got 1 question correct. You need 4 correct answers to win a prize. Now there's still available 2 grand prizes hidden under questions. If you get that question and get it correct, you automatically win that prize. So what question would you like next?
Let's do horror for 2.
Horror for 2, please. Okay. Do you like scary movies? What's quote from a movie?
Scream.
Okay, so we're trying to pick the movie? Is that what we're trying to do? Okay. Scream? Final answer?
Yes.
Okay, there was no context. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Scream. Scream is the final answer. Is that correct? Yes. Good job. All right. All right, that is 2 correct. 2 more and you win a prize. What would you like?
Yep, let's finish off horror for 3.
Horror for 3, please. We will finish the category. What movie portrays someone being stabbed to death by a knife in the shower?
Yes. Psycho?
Psycho, final answer?
Yes.
Psycho. Is that correct? I believe it is. Yes, that is correct.
Nice.
All right, you've got 3 correct. Good job. All right. So, what question would you like next?
Let's go TV. Finish TV.
We're going to finish TV, please. In Grey's Anatomy, what was the name of the hospital in the beginning of the show?
I've never watched Grey's Anatomy.
I second you on that. I've never seen the show before.
I don't know.
5 seconds.
I only know the movie.
Wild guess?
No, I only know what it is after the fact.
Give me an answer.
Seattle Memorial.
Seattle Memorial. Is that correct?
That's all I got.
Seattle Grace Hospital.
So close.
So close.
Yeah, I know.
You got Seattle, right?
Yeah.
Nah.
I was like, I knew it
That
was
is
something
incorrect,
to do with Seattle.
ladies. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
It was close. It was close. Okay, what question would you like next?
Oh, yeah. Let's go to food.
Food, what number?
2.
2. Food for 2, please. Yes. Okay. How many spots are on the Domino's Pizza logo?
3 or 4?
I think it's 4.
4?
3 and 1.
5? Oh, yeah, I think it's 4. 4?
Final answer?
Yes.
4. Is 4 correct? It is 3. It is a 1 and a 2 dots. So close. So that was your second extra life. You've got one more chance, and you have to get one more question right to win a prize. What question would you like next?
Let's see more categories.
Let's go to more categories, please.
We do food again?
Yeah.
Okay, food for 3.
Food for 3,
Take it
please.
home.
A screwdriver drink consists of what?
Vodka and orange juice.
Vodka and orange juice. Final answer.
Yes.
That is correct. It's one of my favorites.
We know that one.
We know that one.
All right. And you get, all right, y'all have won a prize. And we will get that prize to you at the end of the trip.
Okay.
Guys, right as we pull in. So your prize tonight is a, it's kind of like a 2-part combo. Sorry. What did you do? He took it off. All right. Okay. All right. So we've got a prize to spare time. So this is a buy one get one free bowling game and $3 off laser tag. But
Okay.
that's not all. Wait. I also have, because this is all spare time related, so you can use this there as well. I can get to it. All right. So this is a spare time card. Are you done with the QR codes?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yes. So you can use this at the, these are both good at the Rainer one. That's got $5 credit on it for the arcade. You can also use it for laser tag as well, I believe.
Oh, fun. Thank
So,
you.
and
Thank you.
that's good for up to 4 people. So y'all have fun, okay?
Okay, thank you so
All right,
much.
Gypsy, come on, ride's over.
Aw.
We'll see you next time, okay? Come on,
Thank
Gypsy.
you.
Let's go.